Modern warfare has entered a new era, and drone technology has completely changed how battles are fought. One of the most well-known names behind this revolution is the MQ-1 Predator. The MQ-1 Predator is an unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV, developed by the United States. Introduced in the 1990s, it quickly became a symbol of advanced surveillance and precision warfare. One of the Predator's greatest strengths is its long endurance. It can remain airborne for over 24 hours, allowing continuous monitoring of enemy territory without interruption. The MQ-1 Predator is equipped with advanced systems such as high-resolution cameras, infrared sensors, and real-time video transmission. These features allow it to track targets both day and night, even in difficult weather conditions. But the Predator is not just a surveillance drone. It is also a combat-capable platform. The MQ-1 can carry AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, enabling it to strike high-value targets with extreme accuracy. Another major advantage of the MQ-1 Predator is remote operation. Pilots control the drone from thousands of kilometers away, reducing the risk to human life while maintaining full mission control. Although it is not very fast compared to modern fighter jets, the Predator's precision, persistence, and intelligence-gathering ability make it a highly effective and dangerous weapon. Overall, the MQ-1 Predator is a game-changing military drone that has reshaped modern warfare, proving that information and precision can be just as powerful as speed and firepower.